The following segment is sponsored by American Humane.
Today, more than ever, consumers are conscious of where their food comes from. An increasing number of farmers, ranchers, and food producers are improving and verifying the welfare of animals in their care by becoming American Humane Certified. To help consumers set a humane table this holiday season, American Humane CEO and President Dr. Robin Ganzert, who also just authored American Humane's first ever cookbook, The Humane Table, joins us now with more. So, Doctor, what does it mean to be American Humane Certified?
Well, I know that many consumers, many families, many moms like me really care where their proteins are sourced. And certainly when we prepare our wonderful meals and dinners for our family, we want to make sure that those animal proteins that we serve are actually ethically sourced. And that's why American Humane Certified program was created. It was created with some of the world's leading scientists and ethicists to determine what it is to be humane on our country's farms and ranches. So I know that about 95% of consumers enjoy an animal protein. I want to make sure that those animals are humanely treated. And that's why we launched the Humane Table Cookbook, Cooking with Compassion, so we can start that conversation on our dining room tables.
And how can consumers make humane choices when shopping or preparing for the holidays?
Well, you can actually look for the American Humane Certified seal. And actually, a recent survey found that 70% of consumers would choose an American Humane Certified product over one that was not certified. So we're very proud of having our American Humane Certified program. And everything that you see here that'll be on our Thanksgiving tables at American Humane are American Humane Certified products, like these beautiful pesto deviled eggs, sheep cheese, prosciutto. Look at this gorgeous chicken. This is a pan-seared chicken breast, which is wonderful. I love the herb and vegetable tomato souffle. This is just exquisite. And of course, the centerpiece for many of our Thanksgiving tables are a butterball turkey. And this turkey is actually cooked with a beautiful citrus and whole butter sauce. Isn't it just glorious? And of course, this Thanksgiving, I'm going to end it with beautiful carrot cake. We're going to switch up the pumpkin pie and go with individualized carrot cakes, which are all American Humane Certified.
Tell us about the Humane Table Cookbook. For an organization that is nearly 150 years old, how did the idea for its first cookbook come about?
Well, our first cookbook, The Humane Table, came about because we wanted to start this conversation and provide home chefs with recipes that are made with compassion. These are the values that I share, and many consumers share the same values. We care about animal welfare, and this table is an example of how we can care and demonstrate those values by cooking with compassion. So that's why we created the Humane Table, our very first cookbook that's now available on Amazon. It makes a great holiday gift too for those family members. They love to cook and love to be a home chef. This is a great gift.
Thank you for joining us, Dr. Robin. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving.